Roto Patio Alversa, universal hardware for high-quality sliding windows and doors. Exceptional convenience, safe and secure home. The innovative opening and closing mechanism of Roto Patio Alversa enables smooth, quiet operation of the window sash. Special damping elements enable the sash to run in and out smoothly. All Roto Patio Alversa parallel sliding systems can be operated intuitively, in the same way as conventional tilt and turn windows. The Roto Patio Alversa PS Aircom parallel sliding system offers particular operating convenience. Turning the handle tilts the sash automatically. There is no need to use force to pull the sash manually. Safe and secure home. Balcony and patio doors are some of the weak points most frequently exploited by burglars. Roto security components such as security mushroom cams, security strikers and lockable handles allow burglary protection to be adapted to meet individual security requirements. Roto Patio Alversa, universal hardware for high-quality sliding windows and doors.